So now that you've transferred all your invoices and payments from ServiceMonster 6 into QuickBooks, you're probably wondering where you can view your pending transactions. Well, let me show you how. So go ahead and open your QuickBooks, and at the top you're going to see a tab called Lists. Click on that. Then at the top you're going to see Chart of Accounts. Click on that. And then about fifth from the top, you're going to see Accounts Receivable. Double click on that. That's going to open this, which is a list of all the invoices and payments that have transferred over from ServiceMonster 6. Notice that payments and invoices are listed separately. If you transferred an invoice using the web connector, payments will be applied to invoices automatically, which is pretty nice. Congratulations! If you're a web connector user, you now know how to successfully set up the web connector and QuickBooks, and also how to view pending transactions post-transfer. If you need any more help, feel free to rewatch these videos anytime, or you can call our amazing support team. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.